a mini paper flower bouquet. Make your friends and family happy by gifting this beautiful craft and make yourself happy by creating this beautiful one. So let's start from the beginning. At first we have created some quilling paper roses. For that 4 pieces of yellow paper is needed. All the paper is 3 x 3 inch, and then I have made a circle and then cut the paper in a circular way. Then make a squirrel and cut the paper again. Make this just by your hand. If it is not perfect, then also it will be okay. After cutting, you got this. This is really funny. Actually, I love this cutting. So beautiful. Okay, let's concentrate on flower. Take a quilling tool, or you can roll the paper by your hand also, and start to roll the paper. When you finish your rolling, reach to the center of the paper, then fix the whole thing to the base of this paper. Before fixing it, you have to release the paper and then push the center and fix it. You should use a good glue, because one side of every petal is attached to the base of this flower. If it is not a good glue, then it will not work. Push the center properly to get this shape. Yellow flower is ready. Now I will show you a pink flower. I am showing it now. Okay, so my 4 yellow flowers and 4 pink flowers are ready. We can start to make the bouquet now. Just by attaching one flower to another, you can get the bouquet. Okay, so I have attached all the flower and I will show you the last one. So in this way we can get a mini flower bouquet. Well, now let's make some leaves and a branch. Making the branch is too easy. Actually, take a paper and roll that paper by your quilling tool. You can get the branch, and for the leaves I will show you how to create. Take a 3 x 3 inch green paper and cut it diagonally like this. Then fold it in a zigzag way. It's very easy but very beautiful. After you fold the whole paper in a zigzag way, fold the paper again from the center and you got the leaf. Now it's time to fit all the elements together to get the final one. I have made some light green leaves and some deep green leaves, and I attached those leaves in a alternative way like this. You can get a circular leafy base by doing this. After getting the base, you just attach the bouquet to that leaf and fit the branch also. Your bouquet is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.